What are good or bad types of evidence for an O-1 or EB-1 case? Not all evidence is created equal. Some types of evidence really do help raise the strength of your case, while others can undercut your credibility. Let's start with the bad types of evidence that you should avoid. A general rule of thumb is if you can get something just by paying money for it, it is risky to include them. Because the impetus for these things is not merit, but payment. This includes pay to participate kind of awards, many of which are specifically created for visa purposes, and USCIS officer can see right through that. Paid media articles about you, like a sponsored article where you pay the publisher to get it published. This is taken as a self-promotional type of content, which does not provide evidentiary value for USCIS in terms of proving extraordinary ability. Self-published content such as blog posts is also not a form of publication that USCIS would particularly find valuable because they are controlled by the beneficiary themselves. Then what are good types of evidence? USCIS prefers objective evidence from a source other than the petitioner or beneficiary, types of content that cannot be easily manufactured. For example, unsolicited third-party media articles from reputable outlets that go through their own editorial processes. Another example is governmental and public records that cannot be fabricated. For example, tax returns can be a great proof of a startup's performance. SEC filings for public corporations and annual reports can serve as reliable evidence for an organization's distinguished reputation. Don't fall for schemes that offer to manufacture evidence for you in exchange for payment. It will only make USCIS officers lose trust and disregard your case. The most valuable evidence is what is organically earned by merit.